Rustlin Rob's Texas Gourmet Foods Dynamite Chili Fixins. Funny story about this, so we actually bought this in their store in Fredericksburg, Texas, which is kind of southern San Antonio-ish neighborhood of Texas. And in the Austin, Texas area, the TSA did this big news conference where they had all these guns and knives and everything like that they got off people trying to board airplanes and stuff. And this chili was in the news conference and they were like, look at us, we got a stick of dynamite. So no, this is not dynamite. This is actually chili, and we're gonna be cooking this today in this video recipe. Now, what they claim to fame is all the seasonings are in this. It's just a couple of ingredients. I'm gonna show you that in a minute, but they say that you can make this in 30 minutes. Obviously, I'm gonna let it simmer for a couple hours because chili is always better when simmering, but let me read you the directions. I thought it was really funny. Brown 2 pounds of meat, which I'm gonna be using half Italian sausage. I'm gonna be using half ground beef with half a diced onion, got that. Drain the juices, add the dynamite, chili fixins, and about 15 ounces of crushed canned tomatoes and 2 cups of water. I like this part the best. If you ain't from Texas, add pinto beans because everybody knows that beans do not belong in chili. Okay, bring it to a slow boil, let simmer for 15 to 30 minutes, and it's done. Very super simple dinner. You could order this online, Rustlin Rob's Gourmet Texas Food. We're not paid or anything like that. I bought this with my own money. I just thought it would be a neat video. All right, just briefly, what I have in here is a half a chopped up onion. I got a little jalapeno just to spice things up a little bit. I got 80-20 ground beef, 1 pound, and I got spicy Italian sausage, 1 pound. I'm gonna get all this working and then I'm gonna strain all the juices out and then we'll come right back. All right, so it's all browned. I drained out the excess fat. We got our onion, jalapeno, Italian sausage, and ground beef. That's just the way I'm gonna make it. 2 cups of water. Now I do love this brand, but this is 28 ounces. I only need 15 ounces, so I couldn't find a smaller one. So we'll do about half of this. All right, so that's half of the can. Now if we go over here with this, what was on the inside of the dynamite was 2 packages of seasoning. Let's put that in. All right, then let's just give it a little mix. Now they say that this only needs to work for like 15 to 30 minutes and it's done, which I tasted a little sample in the store and it was really, really good. But I'm gonna let this go for like 2 hours because I know that the longer chili simmers, the better it will be. So let's check back in about an hour or 2. Show you guys the results, see if you guys want to order this online or not. So while that is simmering, I want to thank our top tier channel members, all of our channel members that have hit the little join button that is right next to the subscribe button. Thank you, thank you, thank you. We appreciate it so much that you support our little YouTube hobby. We're actually in the process of like a channel name change. If you guys have any ideas on maybe if we should bring it back to Josh and Babe or something about retired, now that I'm retired cooking, I don't know, something like that. So if you guys have any channel ideas for name changes, drop it down in the comments below. All right, now let's fast forward to 2 hours and let's check the chili. All right, after about an hour and a half, it's looking and smelling amazing. Let's grab a little bowl and give it a rip. A little bit of chili cheese Fritos, some of the chili, a little cheddar cheese. Oh, yes. Oh, that's hot. That's a good, hearty, cold weather chili. No beans, great flavor. Like I said in the beginning of the video, it could take 15, 30 minutes to make. You know, we cooked it for hours, but that's a rockin' chili. If you guys want to pick some of that up, I think they have a website, an Instagram, stuff like that, but that's a really good recipe. All right, thank you very much for watching. Make some chili. We'll see you on the next one.